Are you hungry? Because if so, you're in the right place. Today we're making a Thai dish, grilled chicken hearts with a Thai-style chimichurri.
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. As you heard, it's awful time. And it's really nice. I've done this probably 10 times now. I originally saw it on a YouTube episode with, I think, Marco Pierre White, when a chef presented him with this dish, and it looked really good, so I thought I had to try it. But before we start and have a look at the board, please do me the favor. If you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button and check the bell icon so that you get a notification every Tuesday when a new episode comes out. But now let's have a look. First, we have here our fish sauce marinated chicken hearts. I'll just show you quickly how I did that. We have our chicken hearts. Now there's not much prep we have to do. We just cut off the ends with the fat, and then you can see this one doesn't really have it, but some do. Let's see if we can find one. It's like blood cloths. Yeah, this one is okay as well. Let's see if we find, here is one with a blood cloth. But that came out when we cut it. You see that one. So just cut all of your hearts. I like them whole, but you could potentially cut them in half as well. And then I'll see you when that's done, and I'll show you what we do with them next. So there we're done. Now we just need a small bowl. Put our hearts in there. Get rid of this. And flatten it out a bit. And our fish sauce. And now you just want to cover this in fish sauce. So, perfect. Now we want to marinate that for at least 2 hours, ideally a bit longer. And that's it for the hearts. Really easy. They've been marinating now for about 2.5 hours. And for our Thai-style chimichurri, we have some sea salt, we have a bit of vinegar, we have some neutral oil, coriander, mint, 2 bird's eye chilies, and a clove of garlic. And we'll start with the prep for that, the kind of herb prep. Now, before we can really start this, the coriander we don't have to pick, we can just chop it as it is. But the mint, we need to pick off the leaves. So do that quickly to your mint. Now we picked our mint. Let's start with the chilies though. We'll just slice them up thinly. With seeds. If you want it a bit less spicy, then go without the seeds. We can mix all of this in one bowl. The garlic will only need half actually. Shouldn't be too garlicky. And this will go over again quickly. So that's it for our garlic. Now for our mint. And bundle it up because it's easier to chop that way. I will go over that once again, like that. You could do this in a blender as well, but sometimes I think the blender makes everything too fine. So that's why I'm doing this by hand. And now our coriander. Here I don't mind having the stems with us, like so. The roots will just keep for something else. And now again, go over it, make it a bit smaller, like so. We'll just add this to the bowl as well. And one thing I didn't have on the ingredient board, but I think this will go, or it should go in there, is a bit of palm sugar. A really good pinch of palm sugar, maybe 2 teaspoons. So we cleaned up a little bit. Put in a good pinch of sea salt. Just mix this a little bit. Add I would say maybe 3 tablespoons of oil. A good tablespoon of vinegar. I think we'll add 1 more tablespoon of oil, so we're up to 4. Still a little bit dry. Add another 2 tablespoons of oil and another tablespoon of vinegar. Now we're getting there. Give this base a try. A little bit more salt. And another good tablespoon of palm sugar. Give it another try. Really nice. Nice and refreshing. So that's our Thai-style chimichurri. Next thing we'll do is grill our chicken hearts. So get your grill going, or if you don't have a grill, you can do it in the frying pan as well. But I'll see you when the grill is here. So I've run out of bamboo sticks, so we'll just put them on the grill like this. If you have bamboo sticks, don't forget to water them so that they don't burn. And I've just taken these out of the fish sauce marinade and just dry them off a bit with a piece of kitchen paper. There we go. And now you just have to grill. Now you don't need to add salt to this because the fish sauce has so much salt. Start turning them and grill them on the other side. It's a little bit uneven, the heat. It's hotter here in my front, in your back. So just move them around a bit. You can already get the flavors of the fish sauce marinade. Now the smaller ones we can already take. No, even the bigger ones already. So our grilling is done. Next thing is plating the dish up. I'll see in about a minute. I need to put the grill away, get the plates out, and then we'll continue from there. Now before we get to plating this, if you stuck with me this far, there must have been something you enjoyed about this episode. So do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It's just on there, takes you a second, but it's so valuable for me. So please do me that favor. Now, you can serve this in various ways. When I saw it on YouTube, they had it on a long bamboo spit, and it wasn't chicken heart, it was actually duck heart, so they're a bit bigger. But we're just going to serve the chimichurri in the bottom, mix it up. Like that. And then we're going to just put our hearts in here, standing up. I hope that works. Here we go. Let's dig in. Let's get this going. It's such a explosion of flavors. You have the saltiness of the fish sauce, the heat of the chili, the freshness of the herbs, the kind of sourness of the vinegar, sweetness of the sugar. An amazing combination. And I love the texture of the hearts. How should I explain this so I understand? They're not chewy, but you feel like they are. So you have to work a bit for it, but it's for sure not untender. But that it has a, it's almost like the Italians said, the pasta is al dente, you know, should be a bit chew resistance, and that you have with hearts. Fantastic. And you can adapt this how you want, right? You can add more garlic, you can add different herbs, you can make a classical chimichurri. You could potentially marinate the hearts in like a soy sauce. Yeah, anything goes. I think this is a great basis, especially if you enjoy kind of the Thai flavors. And yeah, that's my recipe for fish sauce marinated chicken hearts with a Thai-style chimichurri. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Just leave them in the comments below. I always answer them. That's it for this time. Don't forget, if you're not subscribing yet, please support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and checking the bell icon. But now all that's left is to say goodbye.